Admission open. Kapetar Kma Model Degree College, Bhoi District, ka court admission na kebenta ke BA first semester, ka lat bahajan na kebenta ke samla pule, na kebenta ke jingtip ki babanya, phun hau number, praiwe, laiwe, pranot, sanar kendai not, lani pra lain not, prasan henriu kendai san. Katba ke Jingtrei na kebenta ban Shna ya ke Surok Nongpoh Umdne Sunapur, ka bajrong san kilometer tam, kadangnya cat-cat. UMLA ke Nongpoh constituency ba meral bons mulapan pau ya ke Jingtrei Kmen ka bakrau namar ke jing pediang jong sarkar pan sngap ya ke jingut jong gipai ba kathan kumba kalong ke Jingtrei ban Shna ke ne ke Surok kalong ke bastet bha wala ka dong ke jingthot na ke jing hap slam UMLA ulai thuru ba ke jing Shna ke ne ke Surok na Nongpoh sha Umdne ka bajrong 4 kilometer ka de ke state scheme bat ka jing Shna ke ne ke juk Surok ka bana Umdne ka bania ter sa marman bat Sunapur ka jrong live kilometer tam kadai na ka PMGSY scheme. Shushu ulong ro bagi jing Shna ya ke ne Surok na Nongpoh sha Umdne ha kawat ka ban ningkong ka badi ka state scheme kalaya chat katba ya ka banta ka bana Umdne sha Sunapur pan ka sarkar kadang sudah ban penmi ya ka work order pat sian hi ya ke ne Surok na ka scheme PMGSY ru on sa sedang no namar kum bagalong ki kontraktor ka ban Shna ya ke Surok ru kiladap ban wan pej ya ke Surok ulong ro bakum nong mikmat pai ba ka than Ulalai jeruk ban jurip ya ke jing Shna ya ke Surok na Nongpoh sha Umdne rengkat ke officer na katanat PWD ha ka jing don lang jong ke nong ilam chenong ne ka than bat ke ne kalapan Kmen yu kum nong mikmat pai ba bat ke jing Kmen na ka benta ke jing bit jing biang jong ki pai ba ka than.
Yeah, with regard to the present construction of Nongpoh Umdne Sunapur road, the length is 58.600 km, in which 20 km it's under state scheme and 38.600 km is under PMGSY. The first phase, which is under the state scheme, the work is in full progress. As a legislator, I have conducted a spot inspection with the headman, with the official of the PWD, where the work is quite satisfactory and the progress of the work is not only at par, but it is beyond expectation, where we are very much happy about the progress of the work. We would like to thank the PWD department for implementing the work, as well as the firm who has been awarded this work. As well as I want to update the people of our area that the second phase for the 38.600 km from Umdne towards Marmain towards Sunapur, the work order has been issued. The contractor have already visited the site, identify the critical area, and the work for the second phase also is already started, and I hope they will be able to complete in the stipulated time that has been awarded to them.
The Department of Tourism and Travel Management Lady Keane College Shillong is now open for admission. Join the 4 years Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management professional program at Lady Keane College Shillong and embark on a journey beyond borders. For more information, call the given number on the screen or visit the website www.ladykeanecollege.edu.in.
Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jongpi, hangne hadukan jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun hau number. Pra iway layar not sau pra san sau. Lani pra lain nyo ar nyo sau ar driu nyo. Pidon kam projector ban peni film. Ni pidon kam projector na kebenta ki awareness program jongpi. Phun singi ni ai wai shapi. Pran nyo lai iway kendai driu iway ar nyo lai.